Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a 2023 SEAT Arona FR Sport DSG Automatic. Now this car is finished in sapphire blue metallic with the contrasting grey roof, and this short video presentation will give you an idea as to the car and its features. So moving inside, the first thing you see is you have these lovely sports seats, which are a mix of suede and leather. The front two seats are heated, which is lovely on these cold mornings that we're still getting. In the back, you've got seating for three with ISOFIX fitments on the two outside. You have these lovely machined finished alloy wheels. And you also benefit from the FR rear bumper, which incorporates rear parking sensors. Now in the boot, you've got this lovely split level boot floor. So in this position, it's in its deeper level. And if I can do this one-handed, there we go. You can actually make it so there's virtually no lip. So if you have a dog or something like that that doesn't like a lip getting into the boot, then you can access that by doing it. And when you fold the seats forward, it then creates a virtually flat entrance. Now this car has only covered 11,900 miles, so it's a very low mileage car. It's coming up, it's not quite 18 months old, but it's coming up 18 months. So it's done a very, very low mileage. And as you can see, hopefully from this video, it's in fantastic condition. Now, let's jump in and show you a little bit of the media system. So you've got this lovely big navigation system which incorporates the usual features, Bluetooth radio and also streaming ability as well. Now this one also has a host of driving features, so front brake assist, you also have lane assist as well in there, so stops you wandering. You've got plenty of touchscreen buttons for different radio stations, and you can also connect your mobile phone, be it an Android or an Apple phone, to run through their Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now you've also got a nice big, easy to operate navigation screen. Dropping down, dual zoned climate control with, say, heated front seats. A wireless phone charger, which is just below the heating controls there. The ability to change the driving profile, so whether you want to have a slightly more economical outlook or on a day where you want to be able to get on with things, you can put it into a sports mode as well. Now being the FR Sport, you also have the benefit of what's called a full digital dashboard. So this allows you to change or even remove things like the rev counter from its initial display, and if you want to, you can even have the navigation map presented in behind the steering wheel, which is very, very clever. Now this model features full LED headlights, so driving at night, it makes the road so much brighter. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions on this or any of our other models, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.